Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the live trading session using the Algos. Order filled. So let me show you like how to enable the strategies or how to basically the 5 to 10 minute work each day we need to do, and then basically Algos will take care of the rest of the stuff. So let me share the screen. So one of our algos is Spectrum algo, which is a scalping algorithm. So what it will do is based on whether market is going up or going down, based on that it takes long and short positions. So for example, you will open a chart. Let me share it like, for example, I want to do it on new chart. Let's say I want to run something on, let's say NKD, right, which is Nikki. So I want to run it on 15 minutes Heikinashi because I see volume is good. If it is some before holiday or if some major event is there, generally I'll select a 5 minute here during the market time. If it is non-US market, generally we can always select 5 minutes. But if it is US market and if there is a good amount of volume, we can select 15. And once we do that, just say okay. And then basically a new chart will pop up. So it is trying to load this NKD chart. Right, so this NKD chart is loaded. If I want to enable a strategy, I have to right click on the chart, strategies, and then go to this folder and select, for example, if I want to run using Spectrum, I'll say 20 ticks as my target, 40 ticks as my stop loss, and just enable it. Right, if you want to select some Apex account or something, you can select those Apex accounts, or you can run on simulation accounts, or you can run on your personal accounts. It is up to you on which one you want to run. And then you'll basically say apply. Okay, and then it will start taking the trades. So like this we can do for as many number of charts you want. If you want to do with 10 20 charts, you can do with 20 charts, but with each one you have to enable a strategy or algorithm. So right, in the same way what I did, I enabled it on the NQ 5 minutes, I enabled it on RTY 15 minutes, I enabled it on ES. We also enabled it on crude oil. So it all takes like less than 30 seconds to open a chart and enable an algo. Then order submitted. I enabled it on YM. So we have YM, RTY, ES, crude oil, EMD. So right, most of it in Q we open. Let's take 15 minutes candle. Order cancelled. So I basically enabled 15-minute Heikenaishi on NQ, also on RTY. On ES, just for a change, I am enabling a 5-minute Heikenaishi candle instead of 15 minutes. So we can see the difference. If somewhere, let us say if it is make 5 minutes is making more profits, then I can just go and change 5 minutes on the others. Or if I see 15 minutes is making more profits, I can come to this chart and change it to 15 minutes. So because generally NQ, Russell, ES, YM, EMD, all these move in the same direction. Based on one, we can change it to the others. So for now, we have everything on 15 minutes. Just ES, I kept it on 5 minutes. So you can see right from morning. Let us take example of EMD. There were profit target 1, profit target 2, profit target 3, 4, 5, 6. There was a stop loss. And again, right, profit target 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 targets, again one stop loss. Again one profit target. And again we got a sell now, which initially hit the stop loss and then profit target. That is for EMD. So generally we'll have 75 to 80% success throughout the day when we use this strategy, spectrum strategy. Even though we have 20% losses, but they will be covered by the number of gains. So it is the same story with EMD or whatever, right? With YM, RTY, you see similar type of success. So here also you can see 15 minutes. We made some good number of gains with YM, RTY, everything. So let's just wait for some trades to, right? Whenever we enable it, generally first 15 minutes of the market will be very volatile. So that's why what I do is generally I'll wait until 8:45 central and then I will enable the algos. Right, morning we can do from 5 to 7 or 5 to 8, but during market open, because there will be a lot of volatility up and down, so I will wait, and again after 8:45 I will enable my algos on different charts, whichever charts you want, whether you want gold, you want crude oil, right? Let us also open something for gold. Gold is looking bearish, so I will go ahead and select futures, and then I'll select gold for December contracts. Then I'll say 5 minutes, okay, because gold generally will be choppy during this time. So just I'm taking a 5 minute window. So once we enable the algo, it will wait for 2 candles or 3 candles. So basically, right, we have a setting where it should wait for certain time before it takes a new buy or sell signal in our account. Order submitted. So it is basically order submitted. Right. So I enable the strategy and I let the algo to take buys and sells. I enabled on different tickers because right, we know that all these tickers can move good on a day like this. So we did NQ, ES, Russell, YM. We connected with different Apex accounts, EMD, GC, and then we have to just keep waiting for the algo to take the positions. For example, right, if I want to also do some manual trading or something, I see that here you have red candles. Dark red means market is completely bearish. Then if you see a border, a blue border around them, that means again it is reversing, right? When you see that and when you see a green candle, that means again market can move up, right? We can also manually take some trades using these colors. So from dark red, it is light red to green. That means market is moving up. We can take a long position. From dark red to light red to dark red, that means market is turning bearish. So looking at the colors also, if we want, if we are free, uh, there is some connectivity issue today. Right, one is we can let algos to do all the job. The second thing is even if we want to take some manual trades also by looking at the colors of the candles, right? When there is a transformation from red to light red to green, that means now NQ can or ES can move up little bit. Or if you see here, right, from light green to dark green, then again there is a red. That means it will go down. So crude oil, it went up so much, then it turned to light green, then again green, then light red, now dark red. That means crude oil might go a little down and again it may bounce back because there was a lot of buying because of the news that there may be restrictions on the oil imports. Suddenly it went up so much. Now there is some profit taking. So it will come down and then again it may bounce a little back, but this is a good place to short it if we want to do manually. But again, right, we don't want to do anything manually. We want to algo to take care of everything. Once we set up the charts and we can save the workspace, so same charts will open again tomorrow. So once we enable the charts and just we have to, right, you can take care of your primary job. Your algo will be doing buys and sells based on the signals generated with the real-time data. Target filled. Target filled. So you can see that, right? The target filled, right? That means you made some profit. Target filled. Hey Pulkit, do you have a question?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi.
Pulkit. Yeah.
Yep. So what I wanted to check, like, is it like every morning I need to enable the tickers, or how is it?
No, you can just save the workspace and whenever you click, right, you can go here. For example, you go here. If you have a default workspace, right, you can just create a workspace and save it. Whenever you come next day and just click on that, then those things will, all those charts will appear. You don't need to open the charts again and again every day.
Okay, got it, got it. Yep.
So, right, in the morning I said like because it touched 4500 in the pre-market, right? It touched 4500, it went up, again came down again because of some news, again it bounced. But again now it is coming back to 4500. So if it drops, if it also breaks 4500, we may also see 4490. but there is a possibility that it may touch that low of the day, and again it may do little bounce. But again, at what point it took the position? 45.13. Now 4500. That means nearly 13 points. 13 into 50, $650 with one contract. Right? Again, we just enable the algo. That's it. We did not do anything. We enable the algo. Whenever there is a buy, algo will automatically close the short position and then it will take a buy. It will take a long position. Again, we will make profit on the other side. Hey, Ratan, do you have a question?
No, I just wanted to let you know that it was choppy earlier. I was not able to see the screen also. So I just
No.
raised the hand.
Okay. Hey, Sam, do you have a question?
Yeah, same thing, Kishore. We couldn't hear you properly.
No.
Voice was breaking up.
But it is better right now?
The other, it's now better, yeah. The other question I have is I started the Spectrum at 9:42 this morning,
Okay.
and it is still waiting to take an order. Is that expected?
Right, because it is, yeah, looking at, because still market is just moving up and down. There is no proper trend. So it will wait for minimum two candles and then look at the direction. If it sees that overall it is bullish or bearish, it will take that. Otherwise, if it sees it is going up and down, it will wait further.
Yeah. Also, yesterday I was testing some Prism, and what I noticed is when the market is like not moving more than 4 to 5 points,
Mhm.
it keeps changing the direction. It keeps closing its position, reversing it, and then again closing it and reversing it. Is it possible to put some kind of a rule in there that says unless we have 5 to 10 point move, shouldn't really start the trading at all?
Yeah, right. What we can do is only that we can increase the number of candles it should watch for. So
Okay.
it will wait for more time before taking the signal.
Okay.
Raj,
Kishore,
Mhm.
Kishore, I see that you have enabled Prism on YM. I thought morning we need to enable
Right. Yeah.
Spectrum.
Yeah, you're right. I should have done.
Sure, I
Sorry?
sure Raj Tota here.
Yeah, Raj.
Yeah, let me know when I can speak. Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
I would. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think we worked together in HGA long back.
Okay.
Uh, yeah. So I want to speak to you personally. If it is possible for you to send me your number, that'd be great. I am doing full-time trading right now.
Okay.
So if you can have a small chat after market hours, it'd be
Sure.
great to catch up as well.
Sure, Raj. Yeah.
I'm connected with you on LinkedIn as well. So it'd be great.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can just ping me your number so we'll connect after the close.
Sure, I will.
Thank you.
Mhm. Yeah, Venkanagara, do you have a question? Hello?
Hello?
Ah,
Sure.
yeah, please go ahead.
Is it okay? I enabled spectrum strategy for NQ. So my
Okay.
question is about: is it 5 minutes or 15 minutes? Which is appropriate at this point?
I think 5 is better because I see that market is still in a range mode. It is just yeah, going up and down. ES is just moving between 45, 45.01 to 45.20. It is moving in a small range. So,
No, I'm talking about NQ.
right, even NQ also. So
Yeah.
basically, if ES, if we look at one chart, then basically the same thing applies for NQ.
So this is for my EA account. So, or you want me to wait
No, you can enable 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Okay, I'm going for 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So, is it possible for you to post those things on the premium channel whenever you basically observe better trend rather than us?
Yeah, I'll be posting that. Yeah.
5 to 15 and 15 to 5,
Yeah.
at least, because for EA accounts especially, today is the day one I'm playing with EA account.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So if you see the chart, right, just showing it on trading view so you can understand it clearly. So we see that it is right on 15 minute, it is in a range, right? Either there is no big downtrend or no big uptrend. It came down.
Sure.
Yeah. Hello. So
Your voice was breaking very badly earlier.
okay, yeah, I think internet is very slow today somehow. Okay. Uh, yeah, if it happens again, I'll connect from a phone. But basically, right, if we look at the chart, if there is a big downtrend or big uptrend, we can stay on 15 minutes. But I see that it came down, went up, again coming down, again it may move up. So it is in a small range, right? There is no big uptrend or downtrend. Or whenever you see a stop loss hit in your account, you can basically go with the smaller time frame. So instead of 15 minutes, for example, right? For example, you got a buy here and then you got a sell here. That means you are opening some position here and you are closing some position here. It might hit the stop loss. So instead of 15 minutes, just we will change to 5 minutes. And then you can see that if I am on 5 minutes chart, so whenever market is not moving a big upside or downside, we will go with the smaller time frames. Whenever market is making a big move, so we'll go with higher time frames because we see that market is in a range, not either moving very big or small. We are basically going with a 5 minute time frame. So I changed my charts to 5 minutes. So I'm asking Algo now instead of waiting for 15-minute candle every time, just to wait for 5 minutes now and look at the trend and take the trades. So now it will not wait for 30 minutes or 40 minutes to take a position. It will just wait for 10 minutes, 15 minutes and look at the overall market and then it will take a position.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So let's just keep one chart so you can observe the overall, okay, within 1 hour, how much profits we can make. So we are not touching anything. Only thing we have to do is just change that 15 to 5 or 5 to 15. If we opened at 5, assuming that market will be choppy or in a range, and if you see that market is suddenly moving a very big range, you just change from 5 to 5, right? Even if you are in 5 minutes, if market moves up also, you will make gains. Only thing is if there are small pullbacks, it will take a opposite trade. So you might be missing some good profits with those small pullback trades. That's why whenever there is a good uptrend or downtrend, we generally it is suggested to move to 15 minutes. But by default, if we are on 5 minutes, even market moves in a range or market moves big also, we will make profits. So if we started with 15, we'll change to 5, or if we started with 5,
Target filled.
we will change to 15 based on the market situation. That is the only change we need to do, right? All the charts, they'll be all right, they will be open once you save the workspace. Whenever you come and tomorrow click on the workspace, all these charts will open again. So we don't need to every day open various charts.
Raj again, sir. I sent you my number over LinkedIn to you. So after market hours, we can just connect once.
Sure. Yeah. So now you can see that, right? From red it turned to light red. From light red it turned to dark green. That means market turned from bearish to bullish again, right? On a 5-minute time frame. So when you see that red to light red to dark green, that means market can move up. So if we want, we can also take some manual positions, right? But again, our objective is to do as much as hands free. We want it to be 95%, 90% hands free, just changing the time frames and then let algo does the buy and sell. But yeah, just giving it as a tip for everyone. So if you are before the system, if you are also watching it, if we want, either you can take it in your individual account or you can buy calls. You can write if NQ is giving a buy signal, that means your QQQ calls will make nice gains. Or if your ES is giving a buy signal, your SPY will give nice gains. So you can take options in your individual account, or you can take more future contracts in this account or in your individual accounts. Like that, by looking at the color of the candle also, you can determine what can be the next move.
నేను ఇప్పుడే చూశానులే మెసేజ్. ఏమన్నా పొద్దున్నే ప్రోటీన్ షేక్ తాగాడా?
So on 5 minutes, right, out of the last 6 trades, we had profit target 1, profit target 2, profit target 3. There was one stop loss. Then we hit profit target 4, profit target 5. So 5 of them hit the target. one of them hit the stop loss. Yet again, after 3 dark green, you got a light green. That means it is a warning, right? There is a potential it may go up or it may also come down. So when you see this, when you see dark red, that means you can confidently be on the short side of the trade. But again, it came, the light green came here, right? So you know that that is an indication that, okay, market might shift from bearish to bullish. We can just right, close the, if you're doing manually, you just close the trade and wait, or let algo takes it. But right, by visual representation also, you know that, okay, what is going to happen. So here we got a light green, so there is a possibility that again market might reverse to down.
Order submitted.
If you took a crude oil example, where there were profit target 1, 2, 3, nearly 7, 8 profit targets on the long side, and then there was a sell short. So it again, it hit the one profit target on the short side. So it might go further down, and then again there might be a bounce. So like that, the algo will make profits on the long side and also on the short side. We don't need to worry. We don't need to stress out whether it will go up or go down. Basically, algo will take care of all the buys and sells. Right, whether market is choppy or whether market is trending, this is one more way you can know, right? If you see lot of reds or lot of dark reds, that means market is in a trending, in a downtrend. Or you see lot of bullish these green candles, right? Dark green candle, that means market is in uptrend. But you see some two red, two light red, two dark red, again the two light green, that means market, there is no proper direction, right? It is neither bullish nor neither bearish. So it is like not able to find, all right, it is not able to go in a certain direction. If there is a proper direction, complete down or complete up, we can make huge profits. Whenever there is things like this, your profits might be minimal or your losses might be minimal when market is in a trend like this or choppy like this. Right? You can see the colors, right? You have light green, dark green, again light green, again red. That means there is no clear direction in the market. In one side, there is,
Target filled.
right, already market is in a overbought condition, so it should go down. But there were some positive statements today, so it was trying to go up. So both buyers and sellers are nearly equal. When one of them is higher than the other, then you will have a trend. But if both buyers and sellers are doing a similar number of buys and sells, that is where market will get into the choppy situation.
Order submitted.
So I don't know if you can see the green line here, but if you see that green, that means we are making profits. To change it to white mode, so you may be able to see that. Once I restart the system, it will
Is he sure?
yeah. So
I think this profit target already happened, right? 15,500. I got two orders, two profit target happened.
right, because right for NQ,
For
1 point is 4 ticks, right? Every 25 cents it moves 25 cents,
Yeah.
25 cents. So
Yeah.
10 points is like 40 ticks. So
Target failed.
Yes.
from 490 it moved to 500. So we basically completed one more profit. So whenever you see profit target,
Correct.
it means
Yes.
we made the money. We
Yeah.
made the
Yes. After we started at 925, I got two. Whatever you are showing on the chart. Yes. Two profit targets happened.
okay, cool, good start with
A
your
good start. Waiting for the third one.
yeah. Yeah, again, right? If there is a stop loss, again we'll next 4 5 we'll make profits. Whenever
Yeah.
there is a change in direction,
Target
Yes.
failed.
we may hit one stop loss, but again next 4 5 trades will make money. So
Yeah. Yeah. Only help needed is when to change from 5 to 15. That's definitely we need help from you.
Right, right. Yeah, that's what I'm giving various tips. One is if it on a 15 minute, if it hits a stop loss, you just change it to 5 minutes. Or if you see lot of color changes from light green to dark green to light green, again the dark red. That means market there is if there is a proper direction, either it will be completely red, completely green, then we don't need to worry. We'll make $1,000 to $2,000 one day. But when market is just trying to go up, again trying to come down, that means both bulls and bears are competing with each other. Someone is trying to take market up, some big company is trying to bring market down. That's where we have choppiness. That's where we will just reduce our time frame. Instead of asking algo to wait for, okay, look for
Order failed.
15-minute story and then take a decision, we are telling that, okay, don't wait until 15 minutes, just look at 5 minutes and then take a decision, so that your risk got reduced. Otherwise it may look for 15 minutes, it may see that, oh, 15 minutes market is moving up, it may take it, and then market makers are trying to bring it down exactly after 15 minutes. So that's why we are trying to reduce the risk. Instead of a big candle, we are taking a small candle.
Yeah. Mhm.
How much is the minimum investment and what is the fees per month for this?
Right, again, we don't need to invest our money, right? If you watched yesterday's training session, we have funding companies like Apex, and there are a lot more companies, right? We can work with one or we can work with multiple companies where you have to just complete some
Okay.
evaluation or a challenge process. Once you do that, they will fund you. They will give you 50K, 100K in a real account,
Okay.
where you can again use these bots and you can take the trades, and whatever first $25,000 is yours. After that,
Order submitted. Order submitted.
90% is yours and 10%
Order
is
submitted.
theirs. So without risking your own money, you
Okay,
can.
this is like search trade or something like that.
I don't know about search trader, but yeah, basically they are right. Just like IT consulting companies will look for IT consultants, so that
Yeah.
they don't need to
Order
go to a
submitted.
job. They will basically help some 10 people to get jobs. So they'll be making 20% on each one. In the same way, these funding companies are looking for traders who can trade. They make 10% on your right. If they have thousands or hundreds of thousands of people, on every person, if they are making 10%, 20%, and also you pay fee to do the evaluation, fee to do the performance. They are also making money. So if you fail in those, they make all that money. Even if you pass those and make money, also they are making money. So they have advantage in both the ways.
True. Yeah, hope to get connected. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Again, I'm muting myself.
Sure. Again, I'm not touching my mouse. I am just watching, right? Again, you don't even need to watch, right? Just like think like a baby. Initially, for first few days, you have to take care of them. After that, they will play by themselves. In the same way, Algos also. First few days until you understand how to set up the charts, how to set up parameters. Once you become comfortable, then you don't need to worry. Just yeah, checkbox, enable. That's it. You can do your primary job without worrying about it.
Kishore,
Yeah.
actually, my strategy took a order at 521.25. Buy.
Right.
I don't
Because
see it on a chart.
all these are market orders, right? So there can be little difference here and there.
Oh, okay.
So
I think
you are
mine
saying like,
already was close to. Mine, yeah, another order has been taken and filled. Target filled.
right? Yeah, one more. Yeah.
My order was taken at 9:50 a.m. 521.25 and profit target 531.25. It is like third one.
Exactly. Right. Yeah, you completed your hat trick. First three,
Yeah.
first three boundaries are sixers. Nice.
Yes.
Seems if market moves like this, you may complete your evaluation today itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Because market came down, touched the low of the day, and again it is bouncing. So if NQ is giving profits, then basically your ES will give profits, your RTY will give profits, your YM will give profits. So if you have 5 different Apex accounts, or then basically all of them are giving profits in the same way. You have profit target 1, profit target 2, profit target 3, profit target 4.
Yeah. Maybe I will set up the rest 3 Apex maybe tomorrow. This is day 1, right? So
Right, yeah. Yeah, everyday market will have opportunities. Some days we'll have lot bigger opportunities, some days we'll have small opportunities, but market, yeah, every day, especially with futures market, with some Fed speakers speaking something or other. So we'll have daily something or other will be going on. If there is some job reports or FOMC, CPI, PPI, then the opportunity is much more, because after that news, there can be a big drop or big uptrend. We can make a few thousands of dollars on those days. Only thing you need to make sure is your internet is on, your system is connected, your laptop is not getting into sleep mode. You can just go to properties and change that to never sleep mode, or otherwise after 5-10 minutes, if you're not touching your laptop, it may get into
Order submitted.
sleep mode. Right, let's just go to other charts. I hope you are seeing the potential, right? NQ made nearly just one stop loss, but we have one profit target, 2, 3, 4 profit targets completed. We may have another 2 or 3 more. Let's go to Russell. Let's see Russell. It made profit target 1, profit target 2, profit target 3, profit target 4, profit target 5. And there was one stop loss. Then profit target 6, profit target 7, profit target 8. That means 8 times you made money, 1 time you lost it. So even your stop loss is double. That means 8 minus 2 is 6. You made profit on 6 transactions net. If we go to ES, so yeah, ES is little choppy. We did not make. So here we sold at 45.13, and then again position bought at 45.11. So yeah, there is not much profit with ES. So NQ is the best ticker for this spectrum strategy, spectrum bot. And let's go to CL. So on CL, again, we made a lot of profits with long earlier, and now we are making profits with the short because CL is coming down. We made profit target 1, profit target 2. Then same with YM. There are a lot of profit targets here. Then one stop loss. Then profit target 1, profit target 2, profit target 3, profit target 4, profit target 5. Same thing with EMD, right? On the short side, we made a lot of profits. Then one stop loss. Then again another profit target. Another stop loss. So overall, 70 to 80% of the time will be on the profits. There might be out of every 10 trades, you may make money on seven to eight trades, and two trades might hit the stop loss. Again with GC, profit target 1, then you have profit target 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There might be a stop loss here because right it is like oversold now. Now it is trying to go up. So there will be one stop loss and then it will start taking the profits on the long side. Now let me also open the other strategy. So you will understand the major or right. Generally that is good for overnight, but we can also use it during morning time also based on the market situation. So we generally use a 3 minute or 5 minute Heikenhashi. Because market is little in the range, I am using 3 minute Heikenhashi. And then again, you just go right click strategies, then select your prism, right? This is our second bot, which is mainly for scalping. So here you can set your trailing stop loss as 80. That means if it may go
Target fell.
100 points, 200 points, but if it comes down by 80, you want to uh, take the profit, you want to protect the profit, or from by the time you bought it, if it is coming down, then after 80 ticks, you want to close it.
Order submitted.
If you want to just change, you don't want to wait for three candles, you just want to wait for one candle or something. You can just change that bars required to trade, and then wherever you want to take it, let's say I want to take it on some specific account number.
Target fell.
Immediately you'll see this. Okay, to what time you enabled it, what is the strategy, and what candle time frame. So you'll get all the details on the screen that show that will give a confirmation that your strategy got enabled. If you are not seeing all this information, that means you might have forgot to enable the strategy. So then Q continues to keep going up. So if somebody bought those QQQ calls, it would have been already 100% plus. Right? Yeah, we did not take a chance to buy it, but if somebody bought it, they would have made nice gains already.
Target fell.
So, right, you are not stressing, you are not thinking a lot whether will it go up, go down. You have a assistant who is helping you to do all those things. You have to just tell the work in the morning one time. Okay, right? You just watch this 5 minute what is happening, and then you take a decision of whether to buy or sell.
Kishore, I have one question.
Yeah.
Order failed.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So we should stop the bots after 11 a.m. CST, right? And
Yeah, generally 11 a.m. CST is good time to stop, and again we can enable from 2 to 3. Generally 11 to 2, generally volume will be very less, very choppy.
okay. So okay. Again at 2 to 3, we can turn it on at 2 o'clock and again turn it off at 3. Okay, got it. Thank you.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Kishore, if you can update the spreadsheet, the 2 to 3 timing is not there in that spreadsheet. If you can add that,
Right,
that
again,
will be
right.
helpful for reference.
We want to, yeah, 2 to 3. Most of the days we'll have volume, but yeah, we can do that for Spectrum. Yeah. Venkanagar, did it hit the fourth one?
Let me see. Yeah, fourth one is filled. Yes.
So you
I
got
think I am on the fifth one.
4 profits done, and you are on the fifth one now.
Yeah, I am fifth one at 15557.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Yeah, 15557.5. I am a little ahead of you.
Oh, well, that's good. Right, because I am doing a lot of testing on a lot of strategies. So
Yeah, because
I'm not
my laptop is dedicated, so
right. Yeah. I'm not focusing on completing my PS. I want everyone else to complete it. So I'm testing with a lot of other future strategies, and I'm using Apex to do all my testing.
I think one of the messages you mentioned something Tuesday I will come up with more information. Anything like testing or anything pending?
No. Yeah, again, there are more, right? More
You said more happy
strategies,
or
more,
something you said,
yeah.
right? Good news.
Yeah. Yeah, we have, yeah, basically, yeah, there is one more strategy which is also looking very good. And yeah, we will share that one also.
Yeah.
To all the paid subscribers, we'll give it free for this month. That one also, right? You can test for 1 week on simulation, and
Yeah.
then you can start. So that is one more thing. And
Target failed.
yeah, we are finding all right. Not only for Apex, we are finding ways to make money on individual accounts. Because Apex, we have a restriction that we have to close by end of the day, right? There are tickers like this.
Yeah.
There are many tickers, right? Natural gas. You can see, right? It makes $10,000 if it moves from
Yeah.
one point. It makes $10,000. So these type of things suddenly they make a move. So we are looking at all parameters, all the back testing, and so that these can right algos can make a huge money on these type of tickers.
Target failed.
Yeah.
So your fifth one is also done now, because NQ is making a huge move. NQES, RTY, YM, all.
Sure. The fifth one is done.
Oh,
It's $1,000 today.
awesome. Awesome. So 35% of your target is done.
Yeah.
Yeah, it may make.
So we start at 11, Kishore. Better to stop at 11.
We can wait until 11 Central, which is like your 12. So I'll let you know when I see that volume is coming dropping. I'll
No,
let.
I'm in Central now. I'm in Central.
Oh, if you're in Central, yeah, 11 CST is good. Yeah.
11 CST. Yeah.
Kishore, there are a couple of guys who are looking for license, and some of them have raised their hand and trying to talk.
No, okay. Let me stop share. Right, but everyone can see on your screens how things are moving, what algo is printing, whether buy or right, and also if you already started it, you
Yep.
know what is happening. So let me give license and again share the screen back.
Sure. Just I'm repeating, just post that change of 5 to 15 or 15 to 5. That's it.
Right, yeah, I'm doing that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Uh, so whoever is having license issues, they can put their machine ID here. You can copy your machine ID in the Zoom chat. Immediately, I'll provide them access. Yeah. Yeah. Please paste your machine ID in the Zoom chat. And Kalingar, is the sixth one done?
Kishore?
Is the sixth target also done? The NQ sixth long.
Long is actually took at 567, still working.
Okay. NQ is at 570. Okay, yeah, I think it may move to 578.
Yeah, it should go around 577 or 67. Yeah. Then fifth one, sixth one will go.
Yeah.
Already. Sixth one it's working on.
Yeah, okay, cool. You should give a big party now. $1,200 done on first day.
Actually, Kishore, where in Dallas? Actually, I'm in Prosper now. Maybe I'll come and meet you.
Oh, okay. Actually, I'm coming on this weekend to Prosper.
No, weekend I stay only up to Thursday. I'm leaving.
Oh, okay.
I think, do you live in Dallas or where do you live?
No, I live in Houston, but I'm coming. I have
Houston. Oh, okay. Houston. Okay. That's fine. Next time.
Right.
I got a call from Raja Adgiri, few days back.
Okay.
He left a message. Maybe you want to get connected or something. I'll call him.
Sure. Yeah. Oh, good. Congrats, John. 6 profits straight on NQ. And I'm giving it to Pushpa Kalluru. I'm adding your license. Okay, then. So Srinivas, Pushpa, your license is enabled. You can just restart Ninja and it should work fine. So raw access is given to you.
Order failed.
Omar, can you put your machine ID? Joe, I think you might have set some time frame template. So you might have only kept like 2 to 7 a.m. or something on your chart. That's why it may not be updating after 7 a.m. So if you have a template attached to it, then it will not take positions after that. You have to right click and then go to data series and remove the time frame.
Target filled.
Then it will continue to take the positions. Yeah, ES and Q continue to move up. If they
Order filled.
So basically, ES and Q moving means your Russell, YM, EMD, all five tickers are moving up. So you can minimum complete 1200 to 1500 profit today itself on those five different accounts. You can download the Spectrum from the Google Drive. Bots work on MacBook, but you need to get the parallels. There are few users who are using MacBook. We'll do a session with some of them, so they will explain the entire process how to do it. But if you have Windows laptop, then it is much more easy. But MacBook is also possible. So if the candles are right, one thing you can do is there is a F symbol here. If you click on that, then basically you are right. And also you can just keep, you can drag this. If you drag, your candles will not be crowded. Right, you just drag them so that you can see those moving well. Or you can just click this F symbol, which is on this side near the buy market. You have F symbol, you just click on that. So you can see that all dark red, green, right? That means it is bullish. So, right, there was some confusion here, but after that, bulls took the control. They kept moving the market up. So, for example, if you just bought somewhere here around 500, now it is 570, which is 70 points. 70 into $20 is $1,400 with one contract. Right, if you used momentum bot or something. Here we are making 200, 200, $200 every candle, which is also good with a low risk. But if you want a big, with one trade, if you want to make a lot of money, then momentum bot, those bots will help you to make big gains with just one trade. Again, crude oil, we had a lot of profits with long, and then we made profits with short. Then now there is a stop loss because market is again changing direction. Again, crude oil will start moving up.
Kishore, Amar and Nilesh are waiting for their licenses to be activated. They put it in the Zoom call chat.
Nilesh, did you make the payment? I don't remember. Pushpa, and you can watch the video, right? All the videos. If you have to just go and import those. You can add any number of SIM accounts. Only thing, right? You have to restart the Ninja for those SIM accounts to appear. Uh, to start using your SIM accounts, you have to close Ninja and reopen. Then all your SIM accounts will start working.
I think Nilesh is trying to talk to you.
Order submitted.
Sure.
Okay. Sandeep, please fill the Google form. If you made the payment and if you are in the paid channel, please fill the Google form and I'll provide the access. Right, you can have, because you Apex is running at 80% promo, you can get some 5 to 6 accounts. So on one account you will run NQ, one account you will run ES or crude oil, or one account you will run YM, RTY. So that parallelly you can complete 4 5 performance accounts. Right now again it touched the high of the day, NQ and ES. Again we may see some reversal soon. Crude oil is looking good for a long position. For example, now what I can do, right? I hope everyone is clear with how algo is working and how it will make profits nearly on 80% of the time. Right? Whenever it is in long, it takes buys. Whenever there is a reversal in the direction, there will be a stop loss. But again, it will take profits on the other side. Again, if it is moving, there will be a stop loss. And again, there will be a lot of target hits on the other side. But if I also want to take manually, there is something called as chart trader here. I'll just switch it on. And then I'll just say buy market.
Order submitted.
Or
Sure, are you with me?
Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed.
right, I'm confident that because there is a good news with crude oil today. So I'm confident that crude oil can again move back to 87.3 or 87.4, right? If you see crude oil chart, it made a big move, then it came down. So overall it is bullish in 15 minutes, 60 minutes, 240 daily trend is strong bullish. So I'm expecting it will again go and touch this point. So I am basically, but again, right, don't worry if you're right. If we have, if we know some right about trading, then we can also take manually and also make profits. So just I want to show that if we are seeing, then we can also take trades manually and also make profits. Right, I'm expecting it will go to 87.4 in next few minutes. So which is like nearly right. If it goes to 87.42 or 44, which is $200 per contract. If I buy 3 4 contracts, that is nearly 800 to $1,000 within the next half an hour. Again, ES and NQ will make profits on the short side now because it went to right. If you watch ES chart, right? It is moving in a range. It came to 4500, went to 4520, again came down, again went up, again now it is trying to come down. So we made profits on the long, we made profits on the short, we made profits on the long. Again now we'll make profits on the short side.
Order filled.
Ishar, we're seeing a reversal now, right?
Right, yeah. Reversal on ES and NQ, RTY, YM. So because it is in a range, right? It is not in a trend where it continues to go up for entire day or continues to go down. So we are seeing a reversal, right? Again, it touched the low of the day. It came up. Now it touched the high of the day. Again, it is going down.
That looks like NQ hit the stop loss. So yeah.
Yeah. Whenever there is a reversal, it will hit the stop loss and then it will again make 3-4 profits. So gross realized profit and loss means already the profit is already done. Unrealized means still you are the trade is still in progress. And also what they try to see is apex on the from the gross they will try to deduct some of this commission, right? Even though you are not paying anything directly, but they want to treat you as a real account, right? They don't want you to take
Order submitted.
take 500 trades for every one tick. You cannot put as right target as one tick or two tick and then make 500 trades on NQ each day, right? Because your commissions will cost $2. If you are making $2 profit and paying $2 commission, it may not make any profit. So that's what out of even though you made $3,000 profit, they'll also look at how much commissions, right? Whether it is $100, $200, that will be your net realized profit. From the gross, they will deduct that commission amount and then they will show that okay, this is what is your realized gains. But again, it won't be much, right? On 3,000, maybe $50 to $60 commission, which you don't pay anything from your pocket. But on the Apex account, they show that okay, this much is for commission, this much profit you made. So this is your net realized gains.
It's depending on the number of trades you're making.
Right, right.
Researching that it's about $4 for one buy and sell
That is right. Yeah,
on a mini.
yeah. So that's why sometimes if momentum bot, if there is a trend with one trade, you will make 2,000, 3,000. No, you can complete one evaluation account. But we need a trend. There should be some good news or bad news. Then NQ can give 2-3,000 just with one trade. So those days, our momentum or quantum bots they will be helpful. So you don't need to worry about those commissions, right? Already your crude oil moved to 87.64. If somebody took the trade with me, that is nearly $1,500 or $12,000 plus. So you can see that, right? 42 cents, 43. That means $430 for one contract, right? Nearly $900 with two contracts, right? I would have taken more, but I don't want to, right? New traders to go aggressive, as I have shown, right? Because there was a very
In the screen, but we are not seeing. I'm seeing the only message. Maybe in a different
no, you're not
monitor.
seeing the screen. Are you seeing now? Are you seeing?
No, only my page is, yes, we can see it now.
Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm telling, right? Because overall, it is completely a bullish trend for crude oil because there was a positive news. It went up, then there was some profit taking, so it started coming down, and then there was a buy. That means again, because it's a complete bullish trend, immediately I took the buy. I would have taken 2 or 3 contracts or more, but because I'm on the live, I just limited to 2 contracts. Right, I hope everyone can see the screen. So it went to nearly 87.75 or something. So now I can just go and just do sell
Order
market.
submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed.
So right now you understand, right? One is your bot will take the trades, but if you also see that something is looking good, you can also manually do buy and sell using the chart trader. Right, nearly $700-800 within a few minutes on crude oil. We saw that from dark red it turned right. This doji is a important symbol which shows that there might be a reversal in the market or reversal in the trend. So we saw the doji symbol, then color turned to green, then it started moving up. Right, whether you are doing in Apex, if you are doing in real account, it is $700-800 within half an hour. Again, it still has potential, but your ES, it went from 4520 4500, it went to 4520. Again, it is coming down. Right, so this is like a range market. It went up, came down, went up, coming down. So it is just right, staying in a range. So it will come down and may again go up. Again, it will come down and go up. So when you know that okay, it is in range, whenever it comes to the below this lowest point, you buy calls or you take long contracts. Whenever it goes to the high point, you know that okay, today is a range market, it is moving in a small range. Then you buy puts, or you can also take a short contracts of ES. So now if you are on the momentum bot, right? Today on 15 minutes on the momentum bot, this would have given $3,000 with just one contract. From nearly 85 moved to close to 88.
Kishore, have we tested the performance of Spectrum on silver?
Yeah, silver, gold, it is the same thing. They move slow on some days, suddenly there will be a big move. So it is little risky with silver and gold. So that's why ES and Q, these will move every day. But silver, gold, crude oil moves with, if there is some good news, it will move well. But yeah, silver also we can use it with individual accounts. It is good to use. But with Apex, because every day we have to close, if there is no movement, then we are unnecessarily blocking one account. Yeah, Amar, I provided license to you. Sumant, I shared a video recording yesterday where I shared every step by step how to sign up for Apex, how to import the files, how to enable the strategy. Everything is like maximum 1 hour it takes for entire setup, including your Ninja installation with Amic. So yeah, if you watch that video, you'll get the complete understanding. So you can see that how crude oil is moving. Because we did manual transactions, your strategy will get disabled. So whenever you do anything manual, you have to go and enable it again. Right, again, NQ hit the stop loss. Now it will start coming down, and then it will make profits on the short side now. Right, you can see that clearly. You can see, right, it came up, came down, went up. Again, it is coming down. So whenever it is at this area, buy puts. Whenever it is at this area, buy calls. You'll be doing spy calls or spy puts.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed. Order failed. Order failed.
Right, just I saw that, okay, NQ can further go down. I can also take some manual entries by just clicking on buy and sell. You can also right click on the chart, and you can also you can put a stop limit and a stop order for the manual transactions. So, right, again, if you take time to explore the tool, explore the algo, you have a huge potential. There are members making $1,000 per day, more than that also per day, because there are so many tickers. It's not only ESNQ, crude oil, GC. There are so many tickers, and whether we do it on individual, whether we do it on Apex, or there are so many companies like Apex. So you don't need to only limit to Apex. You can just pay another $30-40. Then that company will give another 50,000, 100,000. You pay another $30.
Order submitted.
So like that, you may have a $10 million account. Use the algos and use whenever you see like, okay, there is a good opportunity, then just take a trade. And right, you saw that how we made $1,000 with crude oil within few minutes. So right, it has still potential. It is going up. Right, it broke the previous high of the day. So I hope everyone can see the potential and everyone understands how to take, how the algo will take the trades, how we can take manually one by one. And yeah, just if we take time to explore the tool, there is unlimited potential. We all did 20 years of education to make 100K per annum. If you spend 1 month to explore the tool, you may make that 100K within a month. So yeah, just do that, right? Explore the tool, learn it, practice it on simulation accounts. And there is a huge potential. So yeah, with that we'll do another session in the evening on troubleshooting and also on right, if you have any other questions, because I don't want the session to be too long where members cannot watch the recording. Or right, if you watch all the previous sessions, most of your answers are already on, right? If you just go to that Excel, yeah, for every step there is a YouTube video also. If you watch that, you'll get answers to most of your questions. But yeah, if not, I'll answer them in the evening session. Thanks everyone. Talk to you again in the future sessions.
Thank you, Kishore.